check this out. I don't know if any of you ever had these before. I got a couple of these Premo brand pub burgers. I got them from over at the neighborhood Shell station here on Bagley Street, Corner Depot, which is, I mean, it's called Corner. It's a Shell station, but it's called Corner Depot. Anyway, that's the first time I've had these. They're actually pretty good. I don't know if you got them where you live, but well, like I said, they're pretty good. I've had these dozens of times before, so. And you just put them in the microwave for a few minutes, and a couple minutes, whatever. You know, you throw a little ketchup and mustard on them, or whatever you like, and or you can just eat them. You can just eat them plain. They got cheese on them too, so yeah, it's basically my late lunch. So I also got a giant fountain pop Mountain Dew. Giant fountain pop soda, soft drink, whatever you want to call it. We call it, most of us here in Michigan call it pop, so. But yep, that's basically, like I said, this is basically like my lunch rate, so. I also got one of these, well, I'm not going to eat them now, but goodies on the go, glazed chocolate cake donut holes. Those are pretty good. I got those before. They got a couple different types of them over there. You get them back by the fountain pops. Yep. And I didn't buy this today, but got a bottle of, I'm not going to put this on the burgers, but got a bottle of this Uncle Bob's Smoky Mountain Premium Sauce I got from the local IGA, Purchase IGA. It's actually pretty good. And it's pretty spicy. I mean, this is mild, so I can just imagine what the regular kind is. And I got the black coffee. I got this from one of the Metalhead boxes I got last spring. Pretty cool. I haven't used it yet, but I even got the coffee that came with it still. See? And I'm not much of a coffee drinker, that's why oh. And yet, this thing here I found during the summer, last summer. I found it sitting on one of the bleacher benches at the local high school stadium. So it's pretty funny, actually. I mean, you got places like Walmart and Meijer that's selling these things for, you know, I was charging up to $24 for these things, and I got one for free. So yeah, but yep, this is basically my lunch. Like I said, this is basically my lunch, my late lunch. I mean, it's almost 3 o'clock, so you might as well say it's in between lunch and dinner. So I don't know what you would call that, but all right. Just kind of wanted to share that. Oh, by the way, I want to thank John Picker there for mentioning me in one of his videos. I think it was his recent video. His one where he did the tour of the town, tour of Alpena. Yeah. So if you want, you can go check out his channel. He does a lot of scrapping and stuff like that, and yeah, he's got a bunch of other stuff on there too, a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. So, all right. So, I guess that's basically it. Well, all right. Hope you all enjoy the video. So, y'all have a good one. See you later.